are in Lal Bagh Park. It is in the heart of city of Bangalore. So here the ideal time to come here is either in the morning or in the evening. So evening and morning, these two times the people are here. They come here for jogging, for walking, evening walk or morning walk. And it is very healthy place. This is a botanical garden. It is a very healthy place because we get a lot of fresh air. And towards full garden is full of greenery, lot of trees. The trees are of many years they have planted here. So let's go and let's see. See, this is artificial waterfall, but now it is dry, completely dry. During monsoon season, you will see lot of water here and lot of birds you can see. We can see now lot of birds are there. They are trying to catch fishes. People cannot go inside because it is completely surrounded by the fencing. So there are a lot of fencing here. It is completely surrounded by fencing. So that is why people cannot get inside. So it is secured that to protect people from any injury and anything. So that is why they have protected the place. Only the birds, we can see lot of birds. They are trying to catch fish. So the place is looking so beautiful. Here you have battery cars also. So those who cannot walk, those who has problem, they can use the facility of the battery cars as well. You can take a round through battery car because it will take you full round. So tickets are available. You can take the facility.
राजा करके ये स्टैचू ने इसको झाड़ता है, इसको पूजा करता था वो आके रानी ब्रिटेनियन का। जब उस टाइम पर क्या कर दिया, झाड़ तो इसको ये कर दिया, उसके बाद में स्टैचू रह के ब्रिटेनियन का रानी का नाम बहुत अच्छा है।
इसको क्या बोलता है, इसका नाम?
अल्ली मरा, श्री अल्ली मरा,
श्री आर्ली मरा।
अल्ली।
ओके, तो उसका ये क्या है, क्या है ये?
वही ये स्टैचू जो कंपनी वाले ने रखा, उसका बाद में HMT गडियारा क्लॉक है ना
हाँ,
फैक्ट्री,
हाँ।
उन लगते रखा है ये स्टैचू।
इसलिए स्टैचू बना के
स्टैचू बना के
और ये जो प्लांट है ये कितना दिन पुराना है?
सर ये तो आके 300 साल का बहुत पुराना है।
300 साल पुराना है?
300 साल का।
बोलो आपका नाम।
गंगराज।
ये फोन नंबर बताओ।
फोन नंबर 95
अच्छा
38 70
हाँ।
8648।
अच्छा फ्रेंड्स, if you need someone for guide here, you can contact with Gangraj sir.
आप
So
कभी भी
I'll give the phone number of him. So you can take phone number. You can call him if you need for any guidance. Thank you.
कभी भी आइए सर, हम मदद के आपको रूम चाहिए पहले ही रूम बुकिंग करने का
हाँ,
और फैमिली सूट रूम।
अच्छा ओके ओके
ओके सर, गुड नाइट,
थैंक यू।
बाय।
This tree is white cotton silk tree. Common name is true silk cotton tree or cabbage wood. Its botanical name is Ceiba pantodra Kopakflos, and it is origin in India and China. A big soft wooded deciduous tree grow to a height of 25 to 30 meters with buttressed trunk, pinned leaves with 5 to 7 leaflets, huge orange scarlet fleshly flowers with 5 petals overlaid with growing crimson color, blooms during spring season. White cotton sticks obtained from fruits will be used for making pillows and beds. The wood is very light, hence used for making mat splints and packing cases. The tree is approximately 200 years old. The tree fossil. This tree fossil is a collection from the National Fossil Park from South Arcot, Tamil Nadu. It is supposed to be 20 million years old. It is of the Perified tree. Fossils of this park can also be seen at Gindi Park, Madras Natural History Museum, Kerala, Nehru Zoological Park, Hyderabad National Museum, Delhi. This fossil tree trunk is bound to inspire us to develop a presbytery for understanding the evolutionary process of life on Earth.